7 Tips for Mastering Social Media Marketing. Keep watching this video for the tips. Spend a little time looking at what your top 5 competitors are doing out there in the social media world. To make your social media marketing campaign successfully market your brand, sell yourself as an industry authority. Make this an integrated part of your blog and add it to your email signature as well. Also, don't forget to link all of your social media profiles together so that people can follow you on multiple sites. Twitter is about writing extremely short posts. However, this allows you to update both websites very easily. Give prizes to your milestone likers or followers. Not only will this encourage people to subscribe to your content, the winner will rave for a lifetime about how great your particular widget is. When your customers want to contact you on your social media, always respond in a timely manner. Do not let messages sit for days unread. This is actually doing search engine optimization, SEO, which is good for your website and business. Creating an effective social media marketing strategy can be a challenge. It is a skill that should be as thoughtfully planned and executed as any marketing campaign or tactic. Contact Iris Carter Collins 301-604-6953. Don't forget to like our video.